Hello viewer, welcome back to my KDP low content channel. Today I want to show you another great video for KDP self publisher, and I want to show you 5 niche idea for beginner, and this niche which is very helpful to get good revenue from Amazon KDP. So please watch my video from start to end very carefully. Now our first niche is cheese score planner. Cheese score planner. Cheese score planner. Our first niche is cheese score planner, and our second niche is cheese score sheet notebook. Cheese score sheet notebook. And our third niche is cheese score book for girls. And our fourth niche is chore chart notebook. And our fifth niche is chore checklist for kids. Chore checklist for kids. So these are the 5 book niche idea. So I hope this niche very profitable for a beginner or KDP self publisher, and this niche only audience for who love cheese. So your targeted audience is who love cheese. So from watching my video, you can make first of all you can search these 5 book niche from Amazon KDP, and also check copyright and trademark, and then you can make book cover, interior, and generate profitable keyword, and then finally upload. And I hope you can get a better output from this 5 niche. So if you have liked my video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit notification bell icon when I can share more video, more niche about KDP self publishing business. So thank you so much. Thank you all.